Imagine the sun kissing your skin, the sound of waves serenading your soul, and the soft sand beneath your feet. A day at the beach is a blissful escape, but it can also be an opportunity to protect the coastal wonders we adore. Embrace sustainable beach adventures by packing eco-friendly essentials like reef-safe sunscreen, reusable water bottles, and biodegradable beach toys. Opt for a plastic-free picnic with reusable utensils and cloth napkins, leaving no trace behind. Explore tide pools with respect for marine life, refraining from touching or removing any creatures or plants. Consider joining beach cleanup initiatives or participating in local conservation projects to give back to the ocean. Support beachfront businesses that prioritize sustainability, from eco-conscious accommodations to plastic-free restaurants. Engage in water sports mindfully, avoiding areas with sensitive ecosystems and using non-toxic, biodegradable cleaning products for your gear. By adopting these eco-friendly practices, you can revel in the beauty of the beach while preserving it for future generations. Let's protect our coastal paradise, one low-impact step at a time.